We have done sun, moon, and the earth explanation, reading and explanation. We have done whole chapter. Then diagrams also done, exercises discussed. Yes, exercises also discussed. Match the following, fill in the blanks, one word answers discussed, short question answers done, long question answer one was done, if you remember. Yes. Yes, long answer one was done. Now today we are going to do second long answer. So be ready with your copies and pen. We are going to do second long answer today. Question says describe briefly the different types of volcanoes. Be ready with it. Copy the question in 1 minute. Written the question, briefly describe the different types of volcanoes. All of you have written this question with black pen. Okay. Copy the question and then be ready to write the answer also. Long answer question number 2 you have to copy just now in your fair copies. We are going to write the answer. Okay. All right. Now write the answer based on the frequency. Based on the first, tell me, there were, when we were doing the lesson, there were three types of volcanoes that I explained you. First were the active volcanoes, second were the dormant, and the third one were the extinct volcanoes. Yes, so there are three types of volcanoes: active, dormant, extinct. Active volcanoes are those volcanoes who have erupted in the past and will erupt in future also. Then dormant volcanoes are those volcanoes that have not erupted but may erupt in future. And extinct volcanoes are those volcanoes which will not erupt at all in future. Okay, so these are the three categories. Now we are going to write about it. So start writing the answer. Based on the frequency of eruption, based on the frequency, F R E Q U E N C Y, F R E Q U E N C Y, based on the frequency of eruption, of eruption, 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 based on the frequency of eruption. Volcanoes are volcanoes are divided. Volcanoes are divided into into active, comma, dormant, and extinct. Into active, comma, dormant, 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 and extinct, EXTINCT. Who is this? Sakshi? Active. I'm repeating. Those who have joined just now, we are doing long question answer number 2. Based on the frequency of eruption, volcanoes are into divided into active, dormant, and extinct. Clear this much? Now leave a line and put heading dormant volcanoes. Sorry, active volcanoes. Active volcanoes. Put heading active volcanoes and put a dash. Based on the frequency of eruption, volcanoes are divided into active, dormant, and extinct. And then you have to leave a line and put heading active volcanoes and put a dash. Now write about active volcanoes. The volcanoes. Start writing the volcanoes. I want all cameras to be set as Vidhi has said. How nicely she has set the camera. I can see that she is writing. I want everybody look at Vidhi and see how she has set the camera. All of you have to set the camera like this so that I can see what you are writing. This is especially when I dictate the answers and you write. Not all the time. You can set the camera as you wish, but especially when I dictate, I want everybody. Yes, Sakshi is also doing the same. Very good. I want like this the camera to be placed, but Sakshi is not in school uniform. Hmm? Sakshi dear? Okay now. So we were on active volcanoes. The volcanoes that erupted in recent years. The volcanoes that erupted in recent years. Rishita's camera is also good, nicely placed. I can see what she is writing. Then, okay. I am not speaking, then how my voice will come? When I will speak, then only my voice will come, na? Or my voice will come automatically. Arjun Agrawal, nicely placed camera, good. Tressa, camera is off. Huda, camera is off. Kshitij, camera is placed nicely, good. Kartike, camera is off. Ritisha, camera plays nicely, good. Mustafa, camera off. Sadaf, camera off. Now see how many children cameras are off. Okay now. The volcanoes that erupted in recent years and may erupt again. And may erupt again. The volcanoes that have erupted in recent years and may erupt again come under the come under the category of Category. Category. Come under the category of active volcanoes. Come under the category of active volcanoes. Example. What is the example of active volcano? Mount Vesuvius. Mount Vesuvius. Right? Example. Mount Vesuvius. 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 Mount Vesuvius. Yes? Done? Put the second heading. Dormant volcanoes and put a dash. Dormant volcanoes. Put a dash. Dormant volcanoes. Spelling you all know? Ready? The volcanoes that have the volcanoes that have not erupted. The volcanoes that have not erupted. The volcanoes that have not erupted in recent years. In recent years, the volcanoes that have not erupted in recent years, but but may erupt in future. Now we are talking about dormant volcanoes. These have not erupted but may erupt in future. The volcanoes that have not erupted in recent years but may erupt in future come under the category of come under the category of dormant volcanoes. Come under the category of dormant volcanoes. Come under the category of dormant volcanoes. Example, what is the example of dormant volcanoes? Mount Kia, very good. M-O-U-N-T, Mount. M-O-U-N-T, Mount. K-E-A, Kia. M-O-U-N-T, Mount. K-E-A, Kia, Mount Kia. Now next, third category, extinct volcanoes. Put a dash. Third heading, extinct volcanoes, and put a dash. Yes, Vidhi. Yes, of course. Mount Kia is example of dormant volcano only. Mount Kia. Now third heading. Yes, Manvi. Yes, I will send the PDF. Don't worry. Third is extinct volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes. Write the answer for extinct. The volcanoes that have stopped erupting. The volcanoes that have stopped erupting come under come under the volcanoes that have stopped erupting come under the category of come under the category of category spelling Category Category stopped erupting come under the category of extinct volcanoes. Extinct, EXTINCT. Extinct volcanoes. Example, Mount Kenya. Very good. Example, Mount Kenya. M-O-U-N-T, Mount. Yes, M-O-U-N-T, Mount. Kenya, Kenya, Mount Kenya. So in this answer, we have studied that there are three types of volcanoes. First are active volcanoes which have erupted in recent years and may erupt in future also. These are active volcanoes. Then second comes the dormant volcanoes. The dormant volcanoes are those volcanoes which have not erupted in the recent years but may erupt in future. Then third comes the extinct volcanoes. These volcanoes have stopped erupting. They do not erupt anymore now. Example of active volcano, Mount Vesuvius. Example of dormant volcano, Mount Kea. Example of extinct volcano, Mount Kenya. This much is clear to everybody. What we had studied about volcanoes, is that clear? Three types of volcanoes, three categories. All three categories are clear with examples. Okay. Okay. So we are stopping our class here.